already 5:20 in the morning. Just waiting here for everyone else to finish up, and we're heading now to Alaminos after we're all done here at home. So things not to bring. I'm not gonna bring any gimbal there. It's not waterproof or something. I'm afraid this thing might get wet, like I've said before. Already, this is my Gopro here. So the Gopro claims this is 5 meters deep. Go underwater 5 meters deep. Let's test that. Of course, let's bring our sunglass, sunscreen. We need this stuff. You can leave this, I think, somewhere around the tourist spot, around the resorts, somewhere in the hundreds of islands. You can bring this one. Of course, you're gonna need some power bank. This will bring one. So let's go. Dito na kami sa Alaminos. Nakatulog ako. Konti. So we got out from Alcala by 5:30. We arrive here at 7, 11. It's almost 2 hours trip. Estimated trip was around 2 to 3 hours. Fast and quick. We're good.
So upon arriving on Alaminos, we went to Don Gonzalo Montemayor Wharf, where we had to pay for the fees in the tourism office. After that, we went for some breakfast before we take off.
So we're done with our breakfast here in Alaminos. In a while, we're going to that place right now. There, where we're gonna get to the boat. It's gonna be fun. I have my diving gears ready. Here's my goggles, my GoPro. Yeah, let's get this done. Okay, this is our first glance of the 100 islands. Those are the islands behind me right there. It's actually what time is it? Okay, I can't see on my. It's almost 8:30. It's kind of windy right now. Sun is bright.
Took a quick 360 view while on the way. The 100 islands consists of 124 islands on low tide and 123 on high tide. The first island that we visited is the Pilgrimage Island. On top of the Pilgrimage Island, you can see the 56-foot statue of the Jesus Christ the Savior.
So now we're here now in one of the 100 islands, and there's a statue of Jesus right there on my back. We're gonna walk around, see this place, and see how beautiful this place is.
There are 14 stations of the cross along the way going to the statue, in which you can also pray throughout the 14 stations.
So we finish all 14 stations of the cross, including this one, the final one. So now we're gonna find our way to the next. We're gonna go. It's that statue over there. That huge statue over there. It's very far away. We went through a lot of stairs. Had to rest for a while. Take selfies. And then we're gonna be on our way to the statue. Now going to those stations was really worth it. Now we're heading to the statue of Jesus Christ. Could be a stall of Divine Mercy in El Salvador. So we're gonna find out. Okay, now I'm top of the shrine. I'm actually under the shrine, and damn, the view is so beautiful, so pretty, so great. It's awesome. I'm gonna switch to the other side. There's the other view. That's the rest of the 100 islands. I think this is the island with the highest peak in one of the 100 islands. The view is just awesome. Now we're gonna get some rest for a while, and we're gonna head back down, go back there. We might take a swim using this Gopro Max, right?
So I took a little swim at the pilgrimage island after we went down from the statue. A little swim would be nice.
Now this is the view. I'm swimming in my GoPro Max right now. Testing it a little bit in the water. Not necessarily go very deep, because this thing is not as rugged as a Hero 8. However, it is getting itchy right now. So this is another test. It's getting inside my eyes. Set the goggles. Yeah. Okay. We're gonna head back. Appreciate the view, guys. So now we're gonna head back to the boat, visit more islands, and I don't know, visit more and more and more islands. What's one of the hundreds islands we just visited? They're still busy developing the islands. It's a very great place though. It's a very nice place. I would recommend going here when you visit the Ilocos region, especially here in Alaminos, Pangasinan.
So we went back to the boat and visit more islands.
So now we're here in Romulo Island. It's the third island that we visited today. It's gonna hurt. These little stones and shells are sharp, as you can see here.
Now that's a lot of crabs.
Crab. That's a lot of crabs. 350 a pack.
May kilo?
That's 350.
Ah, mga manong piraso aja may isang kilo ay.
350 pack. On the fourth island right now that we visited today. That's 4 out of 100. And I'm going on the top. See the view? It's right here. I'm going to the top. I'm going to the top. Again, more top. Okay, so actually that's Manuel Alcazar's statue with his name engraved in stone. And then in the top, a bunch of cottages here. Very hot. Okay. Lens cover started to fog again. Have to remove the lens protective cover. It's getting foggy again. I think there's still water residue in this thing. You can't see anything up there so much. Got obstructed by those leaves and the trees. So might as well transfer to another spot. We can get another great view. Here it is. This is the spot. And here's the thing. Going here might be more cheaper than going to anywhere else like Palawan, or I don't know, anywhere else that's more expensive around the Philippines. It's quite cheaper here. Just make sure you make it to promos online for airline tickets. That's one thing, that's a tip. And second one, you have to be smart, you have to be wise to go in places like this. Okay, you have to spend wisely.
Now we're heading back to the wharf on where we came from.
Here you go. And now we're back here from where we came from. It was a great experience going through those 100 islands. So we'll be coming back here soon, hopefully with my girlfriend. As long as there's enough budget for this, enough time for us, we'll be back here with everyone else.
A few moments later.
On our way back, but we decided to pass by Bayambang. We're here right now. The Gopro's running, metal's running low, battery is 30%, it's 39%, and phone's also 39%. It's just gonna be, I might get through the day. We'll see about that.
So now we're in here in the current world record holder for the bamboo statue, the Saint Vincent Ferrer statue. And I'm gonna swipe right now. That is Saint Vicente Ferrer statue right there. That is just very tall. That is very big. Swiping me. See how tall he is? It's a very big one.
Now this is the Saint Vincent Ferrer statue in Bayambang, Pangasinan. Next to it is, I think, is the shrine. Standing at 50.23 meters, the statue consists of steel framing reinforced by bamboo cladding, making it the current Guinness World Record holder for the highest bamboo statue ever made. So take a look of how tall this statue is, beating the 46-foot Statue of Liberty in New York and the 30-foot Christ the Redeemer in Brazil. Just imagine how tall this statue is.
So we're gonna head back home. That's a very tall statue right there. That thing is just very tall. Anyway, we're gonna head back home. Buy something first. Then we're gonna head back home. Time for some clues first before heading home. Tasty. Yeah.
They're still developing the place around the statue, and it's good though.
So we got back home here by 4 o'clock, and we took some rest. We had dinner, we had our coffee. I had my whey protein, my daily drink, my whey protein. The whole experience was awesome. Getting inside some of those islands and getting through some of those islands was really fun. Even though it was very hot, it was kind of windy, the tides kept rising up, but it was fun. And I was so impressed with the Bayambang statue, the Saint Vincent Ferrer statue. That thing is just very huge. Alright, so I would recommend for you guys to come here, to go to 100 Islands and just enjoy everything there. And also, don't forget to pass by Bayambang. I would recommend you guys to go there. Bye!